Hey guys, you must be watching this video with some pop-up AI captions. You can also add these captions on your video with a simple tool. So let me show you. So first of all, go to Play Store and download CapCut Video Editor, and after that open it. So guys, after installing the CapCut Video Editor from Play Store, you need to click on New Project. Then after that, select a video on which you want AI captions. So let's see. I have selected
Hi
this
guys,
video.
welcome to my YouTube channel.
Click on Add, and after that you will see a lot of options. You need to click on Text, and here you will see the option of Auto Captions. Click on it, and now from here you can select your sound source, your animation, and many other options are there, and then click on Start. It will start to create auto captions. So let's wait for it. So our auto captions has been created. Let's check them out.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Blagil. So guys,
so as you see here are the all the captions being created. You can change their style, and let's see, let's put this, and also you can change the effects, and you can also change the animation. You can also add some bubbles here, as you can see. You can also resize them if you want, and it's up to you however you want to create them. So here, as you can see, it's your own choice however you like them. And let's say I remove the bubble and click on this option, then click on export. After the video has been exported, it is ready to use for whatever the purpose you want. That's all guys. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more. Goodbye.